how to turn on comments on YouTube on phone. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser right here. So currently I'm using Samsung Internet. So you can use different browser right there. And then after that on the search bar, just search for studio.youtube.com and then click enter. And then once you click that, the next thing that we need to do is to log in into our YouTube account. So I'm currently logged in right there. And then once you've logged in into your account, the next thing that we need to do is to go into one of our videos. So in this part, just click this icon right here. So we will be right here on all of the videos that we have uploaded. And then let's say, for example, that on your shorts, you want to enable the comments. Once you are now on one of the videos, make sure that you set that it is not made for kids. So if it is made for kids, the YouTube will automatically disable the comments. So make sure that you disable that. So just click no right here. And then on this part, just click show more. And then just scroll down until you see the comments, which is right here on the comments and ratings. Currently, my comments is turned off. So all you have to do is to turn that on. And then once it is done, just click the save button. And then once you do that, of course, that will work. But if you can't disable or turn on the comments of all of your YouTube videos, then the next thing that we need to do is to go here again on the YouTube Studio and then click the settings, which is right here located on the bottom left corner of the screen. And then you will be redirected right here. And then just click on the channel. Once you click on the channel, go to advanced settings and then make sure that this channel is not made for kids. So right there, just make sure that you click that because some YouTube channels have actually enabled those. So that's why their videos on YouTube is disabled. So once you click no right there, all you have to do is to click save and that should fix your problem. So that is basically it. Once again, that is how to turn on comments on a YouTube on phone.